Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze your campaign performance in Hubspot so you can clearly see what's working, what's not, and how to improve your marketing results. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Hubspot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then click Campaigns. This is where all your marketing campaigns are organized in one place. Here, you'll see a list of your campaigns with key metrics like clicks, sessions, contacts, and revenue. This gives you a quick overview of how each campaign is performing at a glance. Now, select the campaign you want to analyze. Once you open it, HubSpot shows you a performance dashboard with all the important data in one view. At the top, you'll find summary metrics such as total sessions, new contacts, influenced contacts, and deals or revenue generated. These numbers help you quickly understand the overall impact of your campaign. Next, scroll down to see the Asset Performance section. This shows how each piece of content inside your campaign is performing, like emails, landing pages, ads, blog posts, or social media posts. For example, you can check which email got the most opens and clicks or which landing page generated the most conversions. This helps you identify exactly what content is driving results. You can also review traffic sources to understand where your visitors are coming from, whether it's organic search, social media, paid ads, or direct traffic. Knowing this helps you focus your time and budget on the channels that work best. Another useful feature is filtering by date range. At the top of the page, you can select last week, last month, or a custom time frame to compare performance over time. This is great for spotting trends or measuring improvement after changes. If you need to share your results with your team, you can easily export reports or add the data to a dashboard. This makes it simple to present your campaign performance in meetings or send updates to stakeholders. And that's it. That's how you analyze your campaign performance in HubSpot. With just a few clicks, you can track results, measure success, and continuously improve your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.